In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a channel in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to refine your strategy or a novice just starting out, understanding how to effectively use channels can provide valuable insights into market trends and potential future price movements. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your TradingView chart. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're on the page where you typically analyze your market data. Look to the left-hand side of your screen and you'll notice a vertical toolbar. This is your drawing tools palette, a handy array of options that allow you to mark up your charts with precision. It's represented by a diagonal line. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's here that you'll find a whole host of tools designed to make chart analysis intuitive and informative. To select the right tool for our task today, you'll need to scroll through or search directly within this toolbar. What you're looking for is the Parallel Channel tool. This tool is essential for creating channels that can help you visualize the breadth of market movements. Once you've located and selected the Parallel Channel option, you're ready to start drawing. Now, on to the exciting part, drawing the channel itself. Begin by identifying a clear trend on your chart. At the start of this trend, find your first pivot point. This is typically a low point in an uptrend or a high point in a downtrend. Hovering over this pivot, click to set your first anchor point for the channel. Next, you'll need to define the median trend line. This is the line that effectively marks the midpoint of your channel and provides a reference for the overall direction of the trend. Move along the trend and click at your second pivot point. This could be another low in an uptrend or another high in a downtrend. With those two clicks, you've laid the groundwork for your channel. Now, move your cursor upwards to establish the upper boundary of your channel. Keeping your trend's slope in alignment is crucial here, as it ensures the channel remains parallel and accurate. Once you position the upper boundary, click again to set it in place. The magic of the TradingView software auto-generates the lower boundary at this point, completing the parallel channel. There you have it, a neatly drawn channel on your chart. This tool now serves to encapsulate market movements between two parallel lines, helping you to predict future reversals or continuations of the trend. Remember, channels aren't etched in stone, so feel free to make adjustments as the market evolves. Practice drawing these channels, and you'll soon find them an indispensable part of your trading toolkit. Keep observing, learning, and adjusting, and you'll master TradingView in no time. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy trading.